Now that we have a simulation here, the visualization view, we can go to some of the tools that this module provides, as for example the CAD panel. The CAD panel will make cuts that will allow the user to see the interior of this simulation. For them, we choose the number of panels that we want to use, one panel or two panels. Here we are going to use two panels. We place it at the 3D view, and as we can see, there are the panels. If we go out of the render view and return to the normal view, we can select the place where we want the panels to be, and there will be the amount of particles that will be removed from the view and will allow the user to see the interior of the visualization. When we have the panels placed where we want it, we press Cut and then delete planes. And if we return to the render view, we now can see the interior of the object in the simulation. Also, there is another tool under CAD panel, that is the projection panel. The projection panel have a similar work. In this, we choose the axis that will be used to make the projections, for example X and Z. We place the planes. Here we can see, and we also can move again, as we did in the last step, to make the projection. We choose the offset, that is the distance from the center to the place that the projections will be placed, and when we have the planes in the place that we want it, we press projection. You can see two projections appear, so we press delete plane, and if we return, as in the last step, to the render view, we can see now the interior made for the cut, and also the projections that represent the places that the planes that we selected here were placed before.